Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free $100 no deposit bonus for you to start trading your Forex account for free without you having to deposit any amount. And to claim this bonus, it requires no deposit and no KYC. You don't have to verify your KYC. You don't have to verify your account before you can be able to get this account. And another incredible thing about this no deposit bonus is that you can actually withdraw from it 100% sure. Yes, I have made a video about this in the past, in a long time ago, and a lot of people were able to claim it, but this bonus has been renewed, and that is why I am making the video right now. So if you know that you are interested in getting this bonus, all you have to do is to make sure that you stick to the end of this video, because there are a lot of steps that I am going to show you. And if you don't watch this video to the end, I am afraid you might forfeit this account. Alright, so make sure you stick to the end of this video. And if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, I urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure that you turn on your notification button so that when next I drop a video about a Profem account that you can get for free, and a no deposit bonus and a money making update for 2025, you'll be the first person to get it. Now, as you can see right here on my screen also, this is our Telegram channel. If you know that you are interested in making money every single day, even if the money is small, all you have to do is to go to the description of this video or the comment section. A link will be pinned down there. Just click on the link and it will take you to my Telegram channel. All you have to do is to subscribe and stay tuned in there. So now, for you to be able to get this free $100 no deposit bonus, all you have to do is to go to the description of this video. The link to claim this bonus will be my Telegram channel, and once you get into my Telegram channel, just click on the link to claim this bonus and you will be redirected back to this place. The next thing for you to do is for you to download this app showing up right here on my screen, and the name of the app is Trendo. As you can see, it is a Forex trading broker, and this is where we are going to be getting our free $100 from. So once you get to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on open. So once you get to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on $100 bonus, as you can see right here around this up. So click on $100 bonus. Let me cycle it for you to see. This is it over here. So just click on it. So let's click on it right now. Click on it. So it will bring it out for you to register. So click on OK, click on register, enter your first name, your last name, your email, your password, confirm your password, and agree with your terms, and after that click on register. So if you are definitely a new user, if this is your first time of registering on this platform, you are definitely going to get your bonus right here, and this is where you are going to be seeing your bonus. This is it over here. Your bonus will appear over here, but right now this is the demo account showing up right here on my screen, and the reason for that is because this is not my first time of registering on this platform. I am not a first client. All right, so now let me show you how you can trade this, or how you can trade on this platform. So the next thing for you to do in order for you to start trading is for you to click on charts. So as you can see, these are the candlestick that you'll be using to analyze the chart. So once you are done analyzing, you can come down here, click on buy. All right, you click on buy. As you can see, today is Saturday and the market is closed. All right, so this is where you can get it. So now let me show you how you can withdraw once you are done meeting with your terms and condition. So click on home and click on this three line up here. So once you click on this three line, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this, and as you can see, my account has not been verified yet. So the next thing for you to do in order for you to withdraw is to come down to this withdrawal space, click on it, wait for it to load and be patient. All right, so it's going to bring out something like this. Enter the amount that you want to use, that you want to withdraw, and enter the method that you are going to use to withdraw. That's it. For the terms and conditions, all you have to do is to join my Telegram channel. The terms and conditions for you to be able to withdraw your profit will be kindly discussed there. Thank you guys for watching. If you know that this is your first time of watching my video and you find it beneficial, Don't forget to click on the subscription button, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for those people that have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I appreciate you for that. Enjoy your trade. Bye for now.